it could be one of two things, either the coil pack or the spark plugs. First, let the engine cool off. To get access, we need to remove the air cleaner, which is a hose clamp here and a hose clamp back here. When removing a hose clamp, never use a flat tip screwdriver. Instead, always use a nut dragger. Remember the placement of the nut for ease. Pull it back. Don't forget to remove this. On the left side there's a torque bolt. Do not pop this off the grommet. Remove the bolt. The bolt stays with the plastic. What happened to this is one of those quick oil change places broken. That's why I changed my own one. This is the coil pack. Number 4 is bad. Spark plug gap, or 2.2, 2008 and earlier, 37 thousandths to 43 thousandths. I'm going to go with the AC Velcro. That's what the Auto Parts website recommended. That's 41. I shoved the rag in here to make sure I didn't drop anything in the engine. Spark plug socket. When using extensions, I recommend always buying ones with the knurl and the wobbly. Why the knurl? When one's hand is really oily and you want to turn it, the knurl is a lot easier to grasp. There's a rubber grommet in there to hold the... Okay, let's start on number 4. Does not have a rubber grommet in there, so it's not holding on to the spark plug. That's the one that was missing. Okay, this one has a grommet in there, so it holds the spark plug in place. Gently put it in there. Nice and easy. Take your time, don't fight it. Slowly work it in. Be gentle, it will come. I sure do like that knurl. Well, I gotta get that socket out of there. Some people do not like the rubber grommet because of that. This one appears to be 39. $39 thousandths. Apparently this one is 41. 41, 39, 39, 41. By the way, Craftsman makes my favorite plier. with a 1/4" drive. Keeps me from over tightening. The correct way to remove the oil cap is with 2 hands. Use one hand to hold this and the other hand to take the cap off. Never just go in there with one hand. A mechanic has broken the spout on me because he's just using it with one hand and twisted it. Remove the oil cap, 2 hands. One hold here and the other here. I suggest if one has it this far apart, might as well check the air filter. To understand the importance of leaving this bolt in, because if this is removed, the air cleaner will rattle and this back bracket will break. How this installs is a grommet here and a grommet here, and both these fit over the top of these. Make sure it lines up where you have access to it. Don't forget to reinstall this. It may run a little funny without it. I don't even know what that's like. And line this up where it's easy to get to the next time. These are some tools that I use for this project. 5/16 nut drive, 1/4" nut drive, 5/8 spark plug sock, 10mm feeler gauge, a T27 torque, ratchets, extensions, pliers.